Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about Dolly Parton and her influence over the town. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites, including one going out to Amazon.com that has the books for sale the story came from, called Coming Home, and all the other books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende Secrets. Remember the old Dolly Parton song, Here You Come Again? It was first pop hit for her around the same time as Two Doors Down. Anyway, as a kid, I assumed when she sang, Here You Come Again, and Here I Go, it meant she went back to her former boyfriend. Fast forward to when I'm middle-aged and I hear the song again at the dentist's office while I'm enjoying a root canal. This time I wonder if, and here I go, means Dolly goes away from her old flame, knowing she has learned her lesson. A well-written song is always open to interpretation, so I was curious what my ESL, English as a Second Language students, would think of it. So, in various ESL classes I was teaching at the time, I had my students study the vocabulary of the song and the career of Miss Parton. By the way, biographies are a great way to practice pronouncing numbers, like dates and quantity of records sold, bra sizes. After our Dolly lesson, I would place images of Dolly with a man on one side of the room, and another image of Dolly alone on the other side, and the students would stand by their vote whether Dolly goes back to him or Dolly goes away from him. Here in San Miguel de Allende, I had assumed that being a romantically inclined culture, students would have Dolly go back to him. But only about 2/3 did. It was then a student asked, well, what do folks in the United States think Dolly does? Since the song was popular when I was in 7th grade, I had no idea, but I would find out. That weekend, I sent out about 60 emails asking anyone from the U.S. I had an email for if they thought Dolly went back to the man or goes away from him. By Monday morning, I had nearly 100 responses. Not only did every single person answer me back, but they forwarded the email on, and those people responded too. Every response of nearly 100 said Dolly went back to him. Of the 3 that didn't, 2 were my uber-religious brother and his wife and somehow thought the song condoned premarital sex, so, as in most matters, their opinion doesn't matter. The 3rd was a college pal, who was now a nurse. She wrote Dolly got tired of being beaten up by him and dumped his ass. Nowhere in the song does it imply physical violence. Plus, who would hit Dolly Parton? I guess you could. She'd topple quickly enough, but to what end? It's like hitting a newborn or a puppy. It just isn't done. I think my nursing pal may have been projecting some, and not being a professional therapist, I didn't pursue the issue with her. Instead, I prefer to be an optimist and believe Dolly goes back to her old love and lives happily ever after. Perhaps even just 2 doors down, where rumor is they are laughing and drinking and having a party. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets.